You need to hear this if you've ever been confused by truck designs. Let's break it down. European trucks or cabovers have flat fronts. Why? Well, it's all about space and regulations. Europe has narrow roads and tight city streets, so a shorter truck makes it easier to maneuver. Plus, European laws limit truck length, so losing the nose means more room for cargo. Now, American trucks, those big rigs with long noses, are designed for comfort and long hauls. The engine up front provides a smoother ride and more space for the driver. And with wide open highways, length isn't much of an issue. So, next time you see a noseless truck in Europe or a long-nosed beast in America, you'll know why. It's all about fitting into their own environments and regulations. Hit that like button if you just learned something new. Catch you next time.